Hi everyone, welcome to Create with Manna. Now today we are making a beautiful rainbow promise craft based on Genesis 9 verse 13. Today we have our carton, masking tape, our pens, I have my scissors here, and I have my nano tape here with me. I'm starting by prepping my carton, making sure it's well trimmed. Now I'm coating my carton with color white, making sure it's properly coated. So this verse reminds me of God's promise to never ever flood the earth again, and the rainbow is a sign of that covenant. Grab your supplies guys, let's create something colorful and full of hope. at this beauty, guys. What a reminder of God's promises. I hope this rainbow craft fills your heart with joy and hope. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with someone who needs a reminder of God's love today. See you all. Thank you. Bye-bye.